Yo, what's up, good people? This is your goddamn Tanna, the bad boy at tech. And people, last night I got a mysterious box, a huge box, and it was quite heavy. So man, I unpacked it and everything, and behold, NImbus9 sent me a slew of cases. Yes, a bunch of great cases. So people, on this video, I will be reviewing the NImbus9 cases for the iPhone XR. So enough of me yapping, let's make it happen. Let's go. All right, the first case we're gonna go ahead and review and unbox is the Phantom 2. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Got the smoke gray finish, you know what I'm saying? Red buttons and everything. And hell, my phone is red, so you know around here,
you got to coordinate. Most people don't coordinate, so you got to coordinate. Yes, that's what you did.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Now let's take a tour of the box. Man, at the bottom right here, it says it has a hexa pattern for inside cushioning and protection. It's wireless charging compatible and everything, and it has a lifetime warranty on this case. That's a very, very nice touch. Now let's go to the back of the box. Yes, indeed, there it is again. Military standard protection, hexa pattern, and real sense, meaning that those are very clicky buttons that are made out of metal and they're very responsive, which is also a nice touch. Then finally, a raised edge for your front screen protection. All right, people, I'm about to pull this boy out. Okay! Let's go. All right. I'm loving the pull tab right here, made out of nylon. Very, very quality packaging. No question about it. Ooh, look at him right there. Man, oh man, oh man. Yes, sir, yes, sir. All right. I'm loving the presentation. And I'm loving this right here, that they pack it with this right here. Man, very, very nice. Well, anyway, there's the warranty card for the lifetime warranty on the case and everything. Let me get that boy out of there. Get out of there, boy. Yes, sir, yes, sir. And there's the hexa pattern of the Phantom 2. Very nice looking case. Man, oh man, oh man. I see Dirty Red down there begging to put this boy on right now. So here we go. And peeps, there it is. Super easy to put on. No struggles at all. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and take a tour. There's a mute switch cutout. The metal volume buttons, man, they are red. That right there in person looks so lit. I'm just letting you guys know. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Then on the bottom, you got the microphone cutout, the lightning port, and the speaker, all perfectly done to precision, no doubt about it. Then on the right-hand side, you got the power switch, which also has a metal button. Then at the top, there's nothing because there's nothing on the top of this iPhone XR. Now on the back, people, let's go. The back, you see the beautiful hexa pattern on deck. Yes, sir, yes, sir. NImbus9 logo at the bottom. The camera's protected. You know how I do here. Let's see how deep it can go. No doubt about it. Yes, indeed, peeps. The camera's definitely secure and in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And as far as the front screen protection, it said it has raised lips. So let's see how big the lips are on this case. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, indeed, peeps. A nice amount of protection for your front screen. Yes, indeed. So you can drop this phone on its face and your phone won't be a disgrace. Man, oh man, oh man. So the name of this case, peeps, is the Phantom 2. And it's also available in different colors. Like this blue right here, very dope. And it's also available in a pink. Yes, sir, yes, sir. All right, peeps, the next case I'm about to get into is this one right here from NImbus9, the Cirrus 2. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Navy blue is the color. Let's go ahead and give it a box tour. At the bottom it says it's mount ready, wireless charging compatible, and it also has a lifetime warranty. Now on the back of the box, let's read what's up. Mount ready, military standard protection, dual edge protection certified by the military. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Got the real sense clicky buttons, super responsive buttons on deck. And for the front screen protection, it has a raised edge. So people, I'm about to go ahead and get it popping. Let's roll. All right, peeps, about to slide the boy out real quick. Yes, sir, yes, sir. And there's the Cirrus 2 in navy blue. Yes, indeed. It rhymes for a purpose. And there it is to let you know that it's car mount ready and it's on deck. And for this unboxing and review and whatever, guess what I got? A NImbus9 car mount to show you how it works. So peeps, let me go ahead and pop out the cardboard and everything. Okay, cool. Got the lifetime warranty information on the back of the product and everything. Now let's take a tour of the case. Yes indeed, yes indeed. Smooth, soft touch plastic on the inside / rubber. Then you got the Cirrus 2 magnet on the bottom right here, which is a nice touch and a nice look. That looks very, very nice. Yes sir, yes sir. Now it's time to put this boy on dirty red to see what it do. Let's go. All right, got my phone right here. As y'all see, I'm getting tweets, Twitter messages galore this morning. Shout out to Easy and the Wired Wednesday crew. Yes sir, yes sir. All right, peeps. That's how the Cirrus 2 looks on an iPhone XR. Yes sir, yes sir. Let's go ahead and take a tour of this bad boy. All right, cool. On the left-hand side, you got your mute switch cut out, your metal volume buttons right there. That's also pronounced, yes, they are clicky as hell, people. Woo! Man, oh man, oh man. Then at the bottom, you got your mic cut out, the lightning adapter cut out, and your speaker cut out. Everything is cut out to perfection. Then on the right-hand side right here, you got the power button. Yes sir, yes sir. And up top, nothing, but that's okay. Then on the back, let's check it on out. At the bottom, you got a rubber little finish right here for the bottom protection and everything. Then you got the NImbus9 logo right there. That looks mad fresh right there. Then let's go on up to the camera. Let's see how deep it is. Yes sir, yes sir. The camera is well protected up in there, and it is what it is. Let's check out the lips on this girl. Let's go. Nice raised front for the front screen protection. No doubt about it. Well, all right, everybody, we're ready for the final test of this case. We're about to see how car mount ready this case really is. Yes, indeed. All right, peeps, I got my NImbus9 car mount on deck, you know what I'm saying, ready for this test. So you go ahead and pull up this Cirrus 2, attach the car mount. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, it's definitely on there. You know what I'm saying? No doubt about it. So this case is definitely car mount ready. And since that's the case, this definitely got to get the Dan Tanna stamp of approval. Put a stamp on it. And also to let you know, this Cirrus 2 case is available in many colors. And as you can see right there, you get the peach for the peach colored iPhone XR and everything. And they also get red and black. So people, I will leave the link to the NImbus9 website in the description, just in case you want to go ahead and snatch one of these. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up, because that's official. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna and join Team Lit, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.